When we first bought the house, we wanted a space that is uniquely ours, something that matches our taste, lifestyle, something that fits our family needs. That's when we noticed that we needed a renovation. So we came across Signature through our friends that have recently just renovated their home. And with all the positive comments that they have shared to us, we decided to pay a visit to their home and see what is it all about. And that's when we know that we have to check it out ourselves at Signature. So then we scheduled an appointment with the sales consultant at Mid-Valley, and I must say I was really impressed. So there were two things that we fell in love with. For myself, it was the TV cabinet because I spent a lot of my quality time with family at the living hall. And for my wife, obviously, it's the kitchen cabinet because she loves baking, and all the spaces and functionality of what Signature provides is something that she loves the most. What actually set Signature apart was the attention to detail and as well as the quality of workmanship. But I would say the first impression was really the aesthetics to begin with, and also the functionalities that they've incorporated into their products. And I bet many will not know that actually Signature offers quite a wide variety of products. I was definitely one of them. Everything that you can see in this house is provided by Signature, from appliances to curtain, even our smart home. As frequent shopper, we have quite a lot of stuff in our house, and sometimes it can get quite cluttered. And we do host a lot of gatherings and meals with our family and friends. All our guests love our dry kitchen. As a tech geek myself, I cannot see how I can live without the convenience of their smart home system by LinkUp. With the LinkUp app, I can remotely control my switches, curtains, even streaming my CCTV remotely. If there's one word that I can describe my experience with Signature, it would be exceptional. And definitely our home is a testament to that statement, and we couldn't be any happier.